Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Apple Card to purchase Robux. This is the most straightforward and often the only way to directly use your Apple Card for these in-game purchases. You will first need to ensure your Apple Card is properly set up as a payment method within your Apple ID. This integration allows for secure and convenient transactions directly through your device. We will guide you through each step to make buying Robux simple and efficient. To begin, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Locate your Apple Card and ensure it is correctly added and active. If not, follow the on-screen prompts to add it using your device's camera or by entering the details manually. Once added, navigate to your Apple ID settings and confirm that your Apple Card is selected as the preferred payment method for all App Store and in-app purchases. This crucial step enables smooth transactions. Now that your Apple Card is linked, open the Roblox application on your iPhone or iPad. Once inside, find the section dedicated to purchasing Robux. Browse the various Robux packages and select the one that best suits your needs. When prompted to complete the purchase, your Apple ID will automatically use your linked Apple Card as the payment source. Confirm the transaction with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Before making any purchase, always verify that your Apple Card has sufficient available credit to cover the Robux package. After your purchase, you can easily review all transactions within the Wallet application, providing a clear record of your spending. Remember, you will earn 2% daily cash back on every purchase made using Apple Pay, adding value to your Robux acquisitions. For families, consider enabling parental controls to manage in-app spending effectively.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.